Good afternoon. Those of you who wear glasses like I do are familiar with this product called Zeiss Lens Cleaner. This is very easily applied to cleaning a flat screen TV. I just used it on the flat screen TV we have in the bedroom, so now I'm going to use it on our flat screen in the spare bedroom. And if you look closely, you can see some of the smudges here we have on the screen. When it's off, you can see they're very noticeable, and then when you watch dark scenes on movies, it shows up. So it's very easy to clean this. All you got to do is get a cloth that has no lint in it, like knit my wife provided for me, and this lens cleaner. So when you're holding it up, take the lid off, spray it in 1/2, like that. Take your cloth, up and down motion. After you clean about half of it, turn it over to dry it. And it comes out very, very clean without leaving a residue. Then you do the other side. Flip your cloth over. And it does not harm the polycarbonate cover that goes over the panel. And it also does a very good job on this crap where he shows all the fingerprints where you hold it up to mount it on the wall. For that there and that there. And then you go ahead and wipe it clean with the limitless knit cloth. And you can see it comes out a whole lot cleaner. And it looks really nice. Older TV just still holds up. Still gives you a good picture. In fact, we got this TV free. Someone had a sign on it on the curb that says free. Couldn't help it. So now it is looking good. Thank you very much, and so easy to do.